Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to delete your uploaded videos on YouTube using your Android or iPhone step by step. First, open the YouTube Studio app. If you don't have it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then sign in with your YouTube account. Now, once you're logged in, tap on the Content tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see all the videos you have uploaded to the channel. Find the video you want to delete. Tap the three dots next to it. Then tap Delete or Delete Video from the options. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap Delete again to confirm. Once deleted, the video will be permanently removed from your channel and can't be restored. So make sure you have backed it up if needed. You can also delete a video directly from the YouTube app. For that, open your YouTube application. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Tap View Channel and select the video. Tap the three dots on your video. Then select Delete. Confirm and you're done. And that's it. That's how you successfully delete a video from your YouTube channel. If this video helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.